Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you all how to soak your fruits to make your black cake slash rum cake slash light fruit cake for Christmas this year. So I'm doing a big batch here. You guys can split the recipe in half or make a quarter or even double the recipe if you want to make a big batch. This is just a concept on how to do it. So we're going to start by adding our raisins to a bowl. Next, I'm going to go in with some currants. Next goes in my cherries, mixed peel. And guys, play around with the ratio of how much items you would like. If you prefer more cherries, add more. Cranberries go in. I added some more raisins. And now I'm going to add in my sorrel concentrate. Now I'm making this non-alcoholic. If you were making this alcoholic, I would suggest using your favorite rum. And in goes cranberry juice to top it off. 2 bay leaves or cinnamon leaves go in. A piece of leftover nutmeg that I had. 1 cinnamon stick. I'm just going to press that in. And now I'm going to add in some prunes. These are pitted prunes. And also some pitted dates. When you use this method with the different fruits that I've put here, especially with the dates, you do not need to add sugar to your cake. The dates are going to make the cake very sweet along with the juice. So all you have to do is cover it and allow it to soak for up to a month or more, depending on how long you want it to soak. Now you can soak this for even up to 1 day. It will plump up. You can even boil the fruits to help it get nice and soft, and then you can blend it. If you wanted to blend it and then soak it, you can do that also. So I will be doing some recipes utilizing this, and I'll share it with you in some upcoming episodes. So do remember to soak your fruits early and look out for my episodes utilizing these. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.